Right, we had some rain last night, didn't we? Obviously, people will know that. But yeah, the smell is amazing. That earthy smell. Yeah. If you look here, it already looks like autumn. But what happens is when trees dry up and the getting lack of water, they'll shed leaves and branches. Obviously, then they won't need as much water. So, interesting interesting fact. I guess that one didn't want any water then.
It could have been.
That's a big tree, that.
Yeah, if you got no people lighting around,
No, it'll not be lighting. We ain't had none. We're already dead at the top. So it's weakened. But you'd know if that were coming down. Come on then. Yeah, it's been a week since we last come out. I know. We'll have to climb off of this. Yeah, it's mad that. That other side looks like it's going to come down and all.
It's not going to take much, is it?
No. Yeah, it's just been too hot to come out with dog. Smells lovely, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Very earthy.
Refreshing.
So yeah, I've been doing a lot of night walks lately. It's been a lot cooler for bud. And now autumn and winter's coming, I'll be doing a few more. Yeah. Look at this face on this tree. That's a funny face, isn't it? That'll be nice. I think that'll be my thumbnail. Yes, I know. If we don't move, he cries.
Yeah, but he sounds like a
Ooh. Ooh. Guess what we found? A baby bat.
No, you are. No.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh my goodness.
I can't put my camera too close because
Can I touch it?
I don't know.
I want to touch it. You touch it. Is it alive?
Yeah, it's alive. I don't know if do the bite.
I mean, I have no idea.
How mad is that?
I'm surprised he spotted that.
Yeah, on the funny face tree.
How cute.
Another coppicing tree. I've noticed these more since I've researched them. That woodland near Borch is full of them. It's very quiet in here. So yeah, that was a baby bat. Smells lovely, doesn't it, since it rained. It's going to rain tonight again, I think. Yeah, it looks like it's already mid-autumn, doesn't it, with leaves? No. Literally, all you can hear is crows crowing. Oh. Ah, squirrels. Loads of them in here. Not getting my phone out today, though. Went to take a drink of my coffee and I missed all. It went to go all over my face. So yeah, they put loads of new bridges on, look. They're loads better.
Gives it access to people on wheelchairs.
It's
and
funny
stuff.
though, they've made this bridge. Yeah, it's more access in it. But people are still going down this way, look. Like me. Sorry. Let's go and have a look at these trees here, what have fell. Yeah, loads better, aren't they?
Smells new. Got the new wood smell.
Yeah. I've got coffee all over me. Yeah, let's go and have a look at these trees here. I came in overnight and I got attacked by an hornet.
Oh, is that where it was?
Yeah, just down here. Oh, someone set a fire here, look. That's a big tree, innit, what's come down.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, I can smell it. So just over there is where I got attacked by hornet. I think they're nesting. And just here, look. This is fresh. Because this weren't here overnight. Oh, it stinks.
That's definitely man-made.
Yeah. You can see where they've put firewood everywhere, can't you? I know. It's a good job that didn't spread. Yeah, look at it. Yeah, it looks like a baby chicken in the woods. I'm using bridge this time. Right, which way shall we go?
Is it because it looks like a chicken leg?
I don't know, I know it's called that.
Oh.
Bit of a random walk now today. I need my watch hours going up since they've changed it from 4,000 to 8,000. So, try and get some longer videos in to try and hopefully try and get monetised one day so we can travel further away. Yeah, just need that bit more of an income for YouTube. By the time you've travelled and stuff like that, put petrol in, it's going to be like bloody 10 quid 20 quid a video, innit? So we definitely need that bit more of an income. Yeah, just down there where bridge is, that goes to Pit Top, which we'll go to soon. Already looks autumn here, look. Tell you what, let's go in there and have a little walk in there. Yeah, it's like autumn, look, but they're not yet crunchy. Oh, it smells beautiful, doesn't it? That earthy smell. That's what nature's about. Oop, tripping over it. Last time I came through this bit, I heard a massive crack and it was a massive tree what fell. So yeah, if my videos are 40 minutes, I'm still going to upload them. I really need to get these watch hours up. So yeah, it's still an hobby, but like I said, it'd be nice to earn a little bit from YouTube just to put money back in. Be like a YouTube fund, wouldn't it? I wonder if these have been placed here, like scattered around. No, I don't think it's a natural. Yeah. Yeah, that's not fell off from anywhere, has it? What bird box we got here, look? Anyone know?
Is there anything in it?
I don't know, I can't see.
Oh.
I don't know what bird it's for though, because I'm not a bird expert.
Oh, it's tiny. It is
Yeah.
tiny. It could be. It might even be for a bird.
I have no idea. It looks very golden in here, doesn't it? You know what? You can't beat coming out in woods, can you? away from reality, can't beat it. So yeah, that's train track. I think it does, you know, under here. I'll have to send drone through one day. Keep saying it, but... Oh.
Well, it can. It'll take you a while.
Yeah. Let's have a look down here. Oh no, it's too dry, look. Anyway, there it is. It's about 100 metre through, 120 metre. Which way shall we go? I think we'll go this way. So yeah, just over there, it's pit top, innit?
It makes you wonder if it used to be a walkway.
Possibly. Or like a water
Yeah.
thing.
I mean, maybe.
Oh no, it'll be from water, because
Yeah,
just on the other side is that water, just down there, sorry, is the water pump house.
yeah, it makes sense, wouldn't it?
So it would have been a water flow thing.
Yeah.
And then just on the other side of this is a pond.
Oh, cool.
So we'll go and have a look another day at that pump house. Right, we're turning back. We've decided to go and have a look. We'll have a look inside and see what's happening. It's only a small thing, small building, but I'm sure it's connected to this, you know, with water. These cameras are not the best in dark, so I don't know what it's going to be like. Yeah, it's just so muggy. There's no air, if you know what I mean. It's like breathing soup. Oh, we've been in there before, look. Sensory garden. Just through there. Hello again.
Filming again?
Yeah, mate, how are you doing?
Yeah, all good.
Yeah. Just having a bit of a walk and a bit of a film. There's just no air, is there?
No, it's weather's been shocking. We've had so many wildfires this year.
Yeah.
It's ridiculous.
Yeah. We're passing, so is it open?
Yeah, it'll be open for another hour or so.
Right. I might have a pop in
Yeah, no worries.
and I'll come and say hello. Yeah, it's a sensory garden for kids, run by council. He's alright, and we've spoke to him before.
Yeah, we did.
And Buddy, blimey. Yeah, so this is a sensory garden. We'll go and say hello and then we'll carry on. What's this house here?
It's our officers.
Oh, is it? Ah, okay. Be a nice house to live in, that, wouldn't it? It's raining now. It's raining. Here he is, look.
Did you get many views on your last one?
10 million. No.
Hey, it won't surprise me.
I think I only got a few hundred or something.
Oh, bless you.
I'm only a small channel, so. What you building?
No, we're just taking down. We've got a shelter building session tomorrow. I think it's like it's a school group over in Edlinton.
All right, yeah.
So, yeah, we just.
Yeah.
Just
You don't mind being filmed anyway, do you?
No, I mean you're in a public space, so you
Yeah.
can do what
Well,
you want
yeah.
for me.
I could be funny, but I'm not. I tell you what, we pulled up earlier,
Yeah.
and that smell, that earthy smell, you know, from rain last night.
no,
Oh, it's amazing.
It's called petrichor.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, yeah. Well, it's because it's when all the rain basically
Yeah.
it just disturbs all of sort of soil molecules. And it's,
Oh, nice. I tell you what, if I ever do podcasts, when I grow, you'll be the first one on,
Oh, bless
and we can talk about nature and stuff like that.
Well up for that.
Yeah, man, sweet. Anyway, take it easy, buddy.
Yeah, take care, mate.
Same to you, mate. That rain's nice, isn't it? Right, we'll carry on to that water house and then we'll head back. I might have a nosy. Let's have a nosy. Let's look at that there. Right, we'll carry on. Yeah, so that bridge there, what goes on at train track, takes you over to Pit Top, into big woodland. It's part of this place, but obviously it's rock upright track. I think we'll go there one day in the next few weeks. Yeah. But like I said, I will be doing night walks because when it gets dark very early and I'm busy through day, it'll give me something to film. Because we're still only getting a couple of views lately. It'll grow, we'll get there. We'll get there. I've got a lot of very loyal viewers, which I appreciate. You all know who you are. It's quite long, isn't it? So you've got loads of these pathways. I didn't tell you where we were. We were at Sandal Beat Woods in Doncaster. Yeah. Get a lot of trolls on YouTube, unfortunately. That's why when I do my lives, I don't tell you where I am. So yeah, we'll carry on down there, side at track. Let me just use my extension and see what we can see. Right. It used to be a track. You're not going to hear me up there, are you? It used to be a track for Pit Top, you know, with coal, moving coal, and then it went to pot factories, which are in Shorewood, near Shorewood, and I don't know what it does now. I don't even think it's active anymore because the lines are rusty.
No.
Oh, that rain's nice. Oh, that rain's beautiful. I don't know if you can hear raindrops. Bring it on. It can come down faster as well. So who's looking forward to autumn? Because I know I am. Cooler nights, cooler days. All leaves falling. It's like a painting, isn't it? With all browns and that. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it rain on here. Oh, it's nice though, isn't it? Yeah, just through there is the pump house. Well, it's not an house, but you know what I mean. I wonder what all these pink flowers are.
They're the only thing that are still thriving
Yeah.
after all this dry.
Yeah.